Capturing the colors of fall can be a challenge. Sure, for those of you living in Vermont, it's not that big of a challenge. For us in Arizona, our fall's not as pronounced. Today, my wife and I are heading to the high country. We know that peak season in Flagstaff has already passed, but we are heading up high to the Lockett Meadow and the Inner Basin just to see what it's like. Is there any color left in the aspens? Well, let's find out. Well, hey, good morning, everybody. We are above Flagstaff, Arizona. Whew, sorry if I'm out of breath, but we're guessing we're somewhere above 8,000 feet right now. So we went up to the Lockett Meadow, where we saw some incredible pictures from last weekend. But as you can see behind me, all those leaves are on the ground. But looking through the trees into the sunlight, I think we still may get a photograph today. Let's do this. Although most of the leaves were on the ground, the crowns of the aspens still had color. The vertical white pillars of the trunks kept your eyes rising up to catch the golden colors on the deep blue sky. Oh yeah, it is an absolutely beautiful day out here today. For me, capturing stock images in the woods has always been a challenge. Keep your eyes open for anything that is unique. Don't know if there's an actual shot to be had. So what I'm doing here is just, we have a lot of aspens, bare aspens, and their white bark is side-lit right now. So just try to see if I can get any interesting compositions out of this. I don't know if I can call it a minimalistic scene, but it's different. We just bumped into some other photographers who said there's might be an interesting scene up ahead. So we're gonna keep hiking up this trail a few more minutes.
Stay tuned.
Yeah, stay tuned. So we don't know what those other photographers are talking about. We really didn't see an alley of color on the way up here. But I think we might be at the turnaround point. Let's see. So we started here at the Lockett Meadow, and this trail, even though it's straight on this map, has got lots of switchbacks on it. Didn't really get a shot up here, so we're gonna start heading on back down and go through that brilliantly lit area again and see if we can see any shots on our way down. But this is a beautiful hike that we're on today. Neat thing is we also saw the trail that we need to do a little research on if we want to go to the top of Arizona. So we'll be looking into that maybe for a late spring hike. We'll see. Yeah, let's head on down. Alright guys, the real reason why we're heading down instead of continuing to look around. So we just got a message, and unfortunately we can't get a cell signal back out, that we are going to surprise my mother. One of her bucket list items is to go to New York City for the lighting of the Rockefeller Christmas tree. And she doesn't know this yet, but she's going. The thing is, we sent a little package to my aunt's house for her to open, but while we're watching on the webcam, so I can record it. And we just got a message from my aunt that my mom is actually on the way to her house, and she was wondering if she should just give her the package. So we're rushing down this mountain so that we get a cell phone signal to tell her don't give it to her until we get home. So we're only 2 miles in, right? Yeah, 2 miles in. Oh yeah, one more thing. Of course, I'm going to be videoing the entire trip to New York. We're going to be going to a lot of the different Christmassy sites. We're going to be hitting the Christmas markets, enjoying the city over the Thanksgiving holiday. So remember to hit that subscribe button and follow this channel and join us on this adventure as we go to New York City. That's right, I'm going to be filming in the Big Apple. Click the subscribe button to follow along on this adventure. Please also give this video a thumbs up and a comment. Also, check out snapbysnap.com to see the images that I capture on these adventures. Remember, never stop exploring, and I will see you next time for a quick fall trip to Sedona.